I'm just so happy. We did it, guys. We finally did it. But I really don't know what you would call this. I got my first I guess review package. We're just gonna go with review package from Bellatique Braiding gel. If you know, you know, and if you don't know, give me a second. These people, this company right here. Let's open it up. I'm gonna use my favorite knife. Some stuff to try. Alright. And they can feel it out. I don't know how well y'all can see this. But it says, "Hey at Style by E, greetings from Bellatique Hair. Thank you so much for your interest. To show our appreciation, we've prepared sample jars of 4 of our most popular braiding gels just for you. We're excited for you to experience the difference with our premium braiding gels. We hope today is a day perfect for achieving beautiful, long-lasting styles with our products. Enjoy." I love, like this. Look, just look at it. Look at it. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Bellatique Hair, for the package. I can't wait to try all of these. Well, of course, mine is the braiding gel because that's my girl now. I love that gel. I can't wait to try these other 3. I'm so excited. I'm really lost for words. Thank you for you know, reaching out to me, and thank you for, you know, choosing me for the sample package. I really, really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us together. So here we go again, guys. I'm so happy. But that's all. That's all. That's all. Love y'all. We'll see y'all later. Let's pull out some of these gels and see what we're working with. So we have the pink lemon braiding gel. This one is pretty big. Thing's huge. Extra security. This one has maximum hold, fast drying, no flaking, no whitening, high shine, and lasts up to 48 hours, which sounds pretty good. We love that. Then we have the black pink lemon braiding gel. Same thing. So let's see what this one looks like. Pushing it down. This one smells good too, but it's just black. I can't wait to use this stuff. I should do an ASMR video. I am. And we got this one. It's a type of locking gel. This one's black as well. But it's probably clear.